Hello to everybody. Today we have to discuss about polar coordinates. In polar coordinates we have to discuss on definition of pedal equation and we have to solve some problems on pedal equation. Recapitulation. For pedal equation, definition of polar coordinates, relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates, angle of intersection of curves, and perpendicular from the pole on the tangents are required. Learning objectives. Here we have to determine the pedal equation of a curve whose Cartesian equation is given. Then outcomes of this session is pedal equation for Cartesian curve. Prerequisites: perpendicular from the pole on the tangent. The main content of this session is pedal equation. The definition of pedal equation is a relation between the distance r of any point on the curve from the origin and the length of the perpendicular p from the origin to the tangent at any point is called pedal equation of the curve. The pedal equation is also called as PR equation of the curve. In the preceding section, for a polar curve, we have r is equal to f of theta. We get p is equal to r sin phi, call this equation number 1, and 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta whole square. Call this equation number 2. These expressions determine p in terms of theta. If we eliminate theta from the relation connecting p and theta with the help of the equation of the curve, we obtain a relation connecting p and r. Such relation is called PR equation. Here the pedal equation for Cartesian curve is p is equal to y minus x into dy by dx whole divided by square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So next we have to see some problems on pedal equation. Find the pedal equation of the curve r raised to n is equal to a raised to n sin n theta. Solution: here the given curve is r raised to n is equal to a raised to n sin n theta. Here apply logarithm on both sides. So we get log of r raised to n. This is of the form log m raised to n. So log m raised to n can be written as n log m. We have to apply that formula. So we get log of r raised to n is equal to n log r. This is equal to, for RHS we have log of a raised to n into sin n theta. This is of the form log m n, that can be written as log m plus log n. We have to apply that formula. Finally we get n log a plus log of sin n theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. LHS n into derivative of log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to RHS n is constant, n into log a. Log a is constant, derivative of constant is 0, so that is 0, plus, and derivative of log sin n theta is 1 by sin n theta. Here second function is sin n theta, so derivative of sin n theta is n into cos n theta, so that is equal to n into, so cos n theta by sin n theta is cot n theta. So here n get cancelled, so we get dr by d theta is equal to r into cot n theta. Take reciprocal, we get r into d theta by dr is equal to tan n theta. We know that r into d theta by dr is tan pi, so tan pi is equal to tan n theta. That implies phi is equal to n theta. We know that p is equal to r sin phi. P is equal to r sin into phi means n theta, so r sin n theta. P is equal to r into, by given curve, sin n theta can be written as r raised to n divided by a raised to n. P is equal to, numerator can be written as r raised to n plus 1 divided by a raised to n. So take cross multiplication, p into a raised to n is equal to r raised to n. So this is the required Pradal equation of the given problem. Next, we have to take one more curve, that is r is equal to a theta. Solution for this, again differentiate with respect to theta, so derivative of r is dr by d theta is equal to a. Now the Pradal equation is 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta whole square. 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta is a, so a square. After simplification, we get 1 by p square is equal to r square plus a square divided by r raised to 4. Take cross multiplication, finally we get r raised to 4 is equal to r square plus a square into p square. So this is the required Pradal equation. The summary of this session is, we have definition of Pradal equation and solution for simple problems on given curves. MCQ on Pradal equation. The first one is, the Pradal equation in the polar coordinate system is, the answer for this A. The Pradal equation is 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r raised to 4 into dr by d theta whole square. Next, perpendicular distance from the pole to the tangent is equal to, answer is B. The perpendicular distance from the pole to the tangent is equal to r sin phi. The third one is, if the curve r is equal to a theta, then dr by d theta is equal to, answer is C. So differentiate the given curve with respect to theta, we get A. Next, the Pradal equation of the polar curve r raised to n is equal to a raised to n cos n theta is given by, For this, answer is D. R raised to n plus 1 is equal to P A raised to n. Last one. One among the following is the correct explanation of pedal equation of an polar curve. R is equal to f of theta, comma P is equal to R sin phi. Is answer is D. It is expressed in terms of P and R1. So these are the reference books. Thank you very much.